Again, si Asi Taulava saving the day para sa Meralco.
Ito si Ross. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Nathan gets it. He's playing well. Off balance. Tik na yun. Mintis pero pupunta sa linya si Reynal naman. And Reynal Lugnatan, as you said a while ago, could be the pivotal point of this ball game after a miss. He gets a putback. And he stretches the lead back to 8 just a while ago. It could have been a 4-point lead kung nakashoot ang Meralco sa kabila. But he prevented them from getting that rebound. John Dan pumasok, Sean Anthony uupo. Para sa Powerade Tigers, and Coach Bo Perasol have not sat down this entire second half.
Yan po nakikita natin ang line score ni Reynal Lugnatan. Oh, missed 2 free throws but already with 8 rebounds.
And definitely 50 Reynal, 14 points, 8 rebounds, nearing a double-double. Casio tumira ng 3, top of the key. Wala pa rin yan. John Dan Salvador, offensive rebound. Reynal Lugnatan natawagan ng loose ball foul.
Both teams in the penalties of free throws now coming up for Powerade. Itong sinasabi mo kanina, Charlie, no? Importante na maipasok ng dalawang koponan yung kanilang free throw opportunities. Every point matters so much.
Everybody's missing.
Yeah, kanina nakita natin si Lugnatan, dalawang mintes. Ngayon, nag-witness si John Dan Salvador.
Twelve rebounds, 7 points para rito kay John Dan Salvador. Cuts the lead down to 9, 85-76. Still 4:40 remaining. Reynal is trapped. Patawag ng timeout si Coach Reynal Lugnatan because he was trapped in the corner. 30-second timeout called by the Meralco Bolts. And they're looking good pero marami pang oras. 4:35 kinito. Yung depensa ng Meralco has dictated what happens here in the second half. They've been able to prevent the shooters of Powerade from hitting from the outside. Tapos they've been clearing the boards.
Which is a major part sa opensa ng Powerade. Hindi natin nakita dito coming to play as a factor in the second period. Yung isang 3-point shot, walang naipasok ang Powerade.
And Asi Taulava, offensive rebound na naman. Kinito siya na naman.
12 rebounds now for the big guy. He's just an inspiration on the floor. Yung kanyang intensity, such a contagious thing.
Mario West flying in the air, gliding in para sa layup na yon. Gaidi's 3 doesn't go, and talagang sama ng 3-point shooting itong Powerade dito sa second half, and they could be seeing their season slip away after the gallant stand last night against Barako. Ngayon naman napagod talaga kagabi kinito.
I think so. I think naubo sila sa effort na ginawa nila against Barako in a tough ball game.
And you can see yung mga hustle points kasi Meralco nangunguna rito sa laban na ito. Yung mga loose ball recoveries, yung mga offensive rebounds na yan. Omar Sneed on the break. Sol Mercado hindi magmamadali dahil maganda ang daloy ng opensa. Ba't niya sisirain sa pagmamadali?
Here's Asi Taulava with a mismatch. And the score!
Asi Taulava.
He's doing it all. May technical foul si Sol Mercado for handling the ball pakatapos ng basket ni Asi.
Well, they've been calling that all conference. Kaya naman it's nothing new. Nakalimutan lang siguro sandali. Ito si Gary David natira ng technical free throw. He makes that one.
At Charlie, just want to point out, no, yung Powerade sa kanilang 5 wins in this conference, ang kanilang average 102.6. And right now, they've only scored 79 points. Patapos na ang laro natin. So nagkulang sila sa opensa rito. They didn't get the firepower they wanted from their shooters, especially from the outside.
May mga power moves na ganyan ni Omar Sneed. Medyo kinulang sa laban na ito. So far, it's only 8 points. But Mario West is still aggressive. Muntik na nakakuha ng 3-point play. Balik linya na naman si Mario para sa dalawang free throw. 2:35 remaining, 8-point lead Pwede pa yan, pero Powerade gotta get some stops and some makes on the other end.
Charlie, nakakagulat dito. Yung aside of that, lumalaban for rebound, lumalaban sa depensa. And Asi Taulava.
Baga, para silang nakasandal sa pader.
Yeah, exactly.
Pag nandyan si Asi sa loob, anchoring the defense. We got a 30-second timeout. And horrendous free throw shooting dito sa ating 4-5 remaining. Last 2 minutes.
And what a mismatch. JV Casio against Mario West.
Lawlaw ang kanyang tira. Asi fighting for it. He taps it in. May nakuha ni Jonathan Salvador. Eto, Powerade tumatakbo. They need a quick basket. JV Casio
Looking to set up a shooter.
no one coming his way. Finally, Gary D gets it. They're taking too much time. Itong Powerade Tigers. Sneed takes that three. He makes it. It's called a three-pointer.
And that's just a 4-point lead. With 1:32, it's still possible para sa Powerade.
So yung patience itong Powerade Tigers was able to pay off dun sa, doon na yun, akala natin broken play at under the gun na yung tira ni Omar Sneed. But he hits the three at
7. Bigla pumutok si Omar Sneed.
sabi ko nga, baka he was saving the best for last.
It looks like.
But then they allowed themselves to go down by 13. Kung kaya naman medyo hirap sila makahabol dito. But they're right back in it. 1 minute and 32, just a 4-point lead. 29 points, 15 boards at tumaas na ang kanyang field goal percentage. Sabi mo kanina, napakababa ng first quarter niya.
22 points here in the fourth quarter alone. Yan po binibigay ni Omar Sneed sa kanyang koponan. Under the gun ng Powerade, down by 4. 132, parehong koponan, nasa penalty situation.
Buhay na buhay ang Powerade faithful dito. Smelling a comeback para sa kanilang Tigers.
And some fresh legs on the floor. Si Lordy Tugati ngayon ang bumabantay kay Mario West.
Natin binigay kay West. 10 seconds on that shot clock. West attacks. Double team comes. Throws it up. Pasok pa rin para kay Mario West. And what a basket para kay Mario.
Meralco needed a clutch basket and they went to the import.
JV Casio di talaga makalibre rito. They go to Sneed.
He's looking for a 3-point shot.
One more time. Wala yan. And Sol Mercado gets that rebound. Under a minute remaining. Kicks it out to Hugnatan. Wisely and nagsasayang sila ng oras dito dahil lamang naman sila ng 6.
Powerade is not fouling. Time ticking away.
Electing not to foul. No instructions. Go Perasol got his hands raised. Telling them to just play it out. Hook shot! Crucial shot after crucial shot para sa Meralco Bolts dito sa ating fourth quarter. Kanina, yung si Mario West ngayon, si Mac Cardona, he started out the ball game in a nice way para sa kanila. It looks like he's ending in the same manner. Wala pa yung bola sa dali.
Tama. You know, what made that shot more crucial was the fact that it stretches it now to a 3-possession game. Whereas
So pag matalo sila rito at ma-out sila kinito, may chance pa kaya siya mag-MVP for the season?
it all depends on the statistical points at saka yung consensus din ng media. And looks like Meralco is going to go to the semifinals. Gallant stand by Powerade. But palagi ko na ubusan ng Powerade. And for Meralco, boy, high energy, high voltage game. They deserve to be in the semifinals.
Tama yun, in this ball game. They just played with higher energy mula sa umpisa ng ating laro hanggang dito sa final buzzer. It's over. And a great embrace mula kay Coach Ryan Gregorio. Kay Asi Taulava at center court. They accomplished it. They're in the semis once again. Powerade season is over. Magandang effort na pinakita nila. Great run. Finals in the first conference. And Gary D scoring sprees all the time.